Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Having opened up your phone settings, go ahead and scroll down until you get to Google right here. So go ahead and click on Google. And go ahead and click on all services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to backup and restore. Go ahead and click on restore contacts. And you'll be taken right here. So the next thing you want to do is to click on view contacts. Allow your security lock pattern. Then you are here. You will be told, you can see right here. So the contact on this particular phone here is 4,805 contacts. For you to restore your contact, simply click on restore right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.